To use ChatGPT effectively for a literature review, the key is in crafting the right prompts. These prompts guide the AI to generate content that is relevant and useful to your research. Start by asking ChatGPT for a broad understanding of the research topic. For example, you can ask, "Give a brief overview of research done on artificial intelligence in healthcare." Or, "What are some of the recent findings on artificial intelligence in healthcare in research?" These types of questions help to capture the general landscape of the field, identifying key theories, methodologies, and authors in the research area. As you move forward with your review, you will want to ask more specific questions to dive deeper into individual studies. For instance, you can ask, "Summarize the main arguments and findings of Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare, a review of the state of the art by Smith et al." Or, "What are the strengths and weaknesses of Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare, a review of the state of the art by Smith et al." These prompts allow ChatGPT to provide detailed insights into particular research papers, helping you understand their contribution to the broader field. Comparing studies is also important for a literature review. You can ask ChatGPT to help with this by using prompts like, "Compare and contrast the methodologies of Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare, a review of the state of the art by Smith et al." and "The Impact of AI on Diagnostics in Healthcare, a Critical Review by Johnson et al." This helps in identifying nuances and differences in the research, which is crucial for a comprehensive review. In the final stages of your literature review, you can ask prompts that focus on summarizing the findings and identifying emerging trends or gaps. For example, "What trends or patterns have emerged from the literature on artificial intelligence in healthcare?" Or, "What future research directions are suggested by the literature on artificial intelligence in healthcare?" These prompts will help you wrap up your literature review by highlighting key takeaways and potential areas for future exploration. By carefully crafting these prompts, ChatGPT can assist you in creating a well-rounded literature review, saving time and providing valuable insights into your research topic.